Hey you guys, Kostas here with Opa Greek Taverna, and I'm so proud to launch our vlogging series that we'll be doing at Opa Greek Tavern this year. And I thought what better way to start off the vlog channel than with a delicious cup of high energy Greek coffee. Are you ready to make some awesome Greek coffee? Let's do it. You're not gonna need too much. You're gonna need a source of fire, a pot, some good water, good bottled water, and some really finely ground down coffee beans. If you go to your local supermarket, it's gonna be called a Turkish grind. When you order Greek coffee at a restaurant, you're going to order it unsweet, semi-sweet, or sweet. The reason why is because the coffee is actually put into the pot and it's unfiltered. So you don't want to disturb the coffee beans once they settle to the bottom of the cup. So I'm gonna take my briki. I like this one particularly. So first thing first is the coffee. Just use a teaspoon. I was visiting my uncle this past year and picked this up at a Greek kitchen store. So just 1 spoon of sugar into my pot. And then I'm gonna do 1 scoop of Greek coffee. As you see here, this green bag here, this is the best stuff you can find. This is Papagalos, and actually shipped over from Athens here to the States. So pretty much a Greek coffee cup is an espresso cup. Buy a little Dimitas for next time you're at Starbucks and you have your little espresso cup if you don't own one already. So I'm just gonna measure this out. Pour that right into my briki. Get my fire started over here. I actually let it come to a simmer and create what is called kaimaki. Kaimaki is Greek for the cream and the foam that forms on top of the Greek coffee. Done. Beautiful. And that's it, guys. This is a delicious cup of Greek coffee. May I recommend anise flavored, sesame topped shortbread cookie. These are very popular in Greece. You can look up a recipe for them and I'll include a recipe in the links below. Cheers. Cheers to you guys. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Again, subscribe to our channel. We really want to build up some subscribers. Foodies and restaurateurs can both enjoy the content that we'll be putting out over the next few years. So